Yo, welcome to the channel. Alright, yo, welcome to the channel. We're about to install a performance part for my Chevy 2017 Silverado. So with that said, let's get started. Show you what I have. I have the, I don't know if you can see that, the JLT performance part. It's an oil separator, so it's pretty cool. It comes with all this. Let me show you what I have. It has this bracket right here, and let me take out the package. It comes with 2 screws as well. Cool bracket. All black finish, and the oil separator itself, pretty cool. It has a logo on top, JLT, and I'm excited to get it started. We're gonna install this into the Chevy truck. Basically what it does, I'm gonna take it apart for you guys. So it prevents engine sludge, retains up to 3 ounces of oil, and it's stainless steel, has a mesh and aluminum honeycomb filter. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty cool the way it's designed. It has a black anodized finish, and it's a quick install. It has a 1-year warranty as well. Pretty cool. See on the box. Alright, with that said, let's get started. Let's install this oil separator into my Chevy truck. Alright, so first things first, you're gonna need to take this bracket and put it on here, like so. And this bracket will sit on top of here, and the bracket will also go onto somewhere there. I'm just gonna mount it where this brace is right here, where the screw is, and it should hold very firmly. Alright, so what I ended up doing, I used a flathead, loosen up this screw here, and I loosen up this tab here, and this one over here as well for the vent, and then take off that, and I have access to what I need. So where I'm trying to get to is this little guy right here. I don't know if you can tell, but that guy right there. And it goes, if you follow it, it goes all the way in this direction right here. Right there, this guy. So I have to release those 2. You can take a flathead and just push it in. They got these pins on it, these push-in plastic pieces. You push it in and it releases. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you guys right now. All right, so here we go. You push it in the back and then pull forward like so. Same thing with that one over there. And it's already loose. I loosened it earlier. And then you just take it out. Like so. So, see the difference. This little guy compared to this guy. How much of a difference it's gonna be. Oops, dropped my screwdriver. So, and these holes meant to go, and those one's shorter than the other. So we're gonna mount this guy right over there, right there. I'll show you right now. Mount it right there. Put the screw on there. We're good. All right, now that I got it mounted, tighten it one. All right, there we go. It sits right there. Perfect. So now, connect one hose in one direction, the other hose in the other direction. So this one will go over here. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, guys. Sorry, I don't have a camera guy. So, boom. Boom. You heard that click? It clicks into place. So that one's in there. And then this one goes straight ahead. This one will go this way. Right in here. So that one clicked into place as well. All right, it's holding good. I tugged on it. So yeah, and that's it. That's all you do. You got one going one direction, the other goes the other, so it filters the oil through the honeycomb, and it's pretty cool. It prevents the sludge and make your vehicle last a little longer. And this is the PVC valve that was there. Now I'm gonna put everything back together and I'm done. All right, so everything's back together and everything is nice and tight. Got everything. That's good, that's good. I tugged on it a little bit, so make sure it's all good and snug. You're gonna want to turn on your vehicle and make sure everything's good, no engine light turns on or whatever. And that's it. It's a very simple, easy install. The most, if you never install anything in a vehicle, it would take you maybe an hour, but it literally took me like 15 to 20 minutes just to get everything prepped and in place. So yeah, that's it. The JLT oil separator is it's pretty cool. It's ranged between 160 to 150 bucks. Depends where you get it from. It's not too bad. That's a good price to create more life in your vehicle. And I will link all the descriptions down below, from the parts to the tools you might need. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my video. And yeah, I'll be more happy to put up more content on just upgrades and performance for your truck. Stay tuned for my next video. I will be installing some rear lights and some other cool mods that you can easily do at home. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the new upgrades for the truck.
Yo, if you guys like that video, feel free to
comment, subscribe. Please leave a good comment down below so I know, if you guys are feeling it or not. And thank you for watching.